How to enable or disable reset local data on next launch on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, we tap on settings. Now from the main settings page, scroll down and then tap on developer. If you do not have developer option in here, you can go into privacy and security. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer mode. Then make sure developer mode is turned on. Now we go back into settings and tap on developer. After that, we scroll down and in here we tap on reset local data on next launch. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here so that reset layouts, images and other cache elements, private data will not be affected. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.